Hello kids, today I am going to tell you a new topic and the topic name is phonics sound. So kids, are you ready to learn phonic sounds with me? Okay, let's start. A says ant, ant. A says ant, ant. B says ball, ball. B says ball, ball. C says car, car. C says car, car. D says doll, doll. D says dog, doll. E says ear, ear. E says ear, ear. F says flowers, flowers. F says flowers, flowers. G says glass, glass. G says glass, glass. H says hands. Kids, wave your hands. H says hands, hands. I says eyes, chilled eyes. I says eyes, eyes. I say eyes, eyes. J for jam, jam. J for jam, jam. K for key, key. K for key, key. L for lotus, L for lotus, lotus. M for mug, mug. M for mug. N for kids, where is your nose? N for nose, nose. N for nose, nose. O for orange, orange. O for orange, orange. P for plate, plate. P for plate, plate. Q for quiet, quiet. Q for quiet, quiet. R for rope, R for rope, rope. S says spoon, spoon. S says spoon, spoon. T says, guess what? T says toy, toy. T says toy, toy. U for umbrella, U for umbrella, umbrella. V for vase, vase. V for vase, vase. W for watch, watch. W for watch, watch. X for box, box. X for box, box. Y for येलो कलर किस किस को पता है? येलो कलर. Y for yellow. Yellow. Z for zero. Zero. So kids, bye bye.